How's it going everyone? SpookyDove here. Today I'm going to show you how to make French house. So, step 1. Basically you just want to grab a sample from any sort of song. Oh, hold on a second. Ah shit. Scratch that. You need to find a sample from the 70s or 80s. Yep, this will do. Step 2. Once you've got the song, you want to load it into Ableton or Fruity Loop Studio. That doesn't matter. Once you've got the sample, you want to find 4 bars of the song and basically just loop that over and over. So that's fun. So I've already marked out where I have found my sample. Alright, perfect. So once you've got the sample, you just want to copy and paste it a few times. Just a few. Now that we've copied and pasted it a few times, you want to copy and paste it pretty much the entire song. Yeah, you want to copy and paste it the entirety of the song. Step 4. Now that we have copied and pasted the sample throughout the entire song, we're now going to do the bass. So basically you just want to listen to the song over and over and just pick up and transcribe the bass pattern. Perfect. Step 5. Now that we have got the bass, we're going to do the chords, which it's pretty much just the bass pattern, and you just copy and paste it till it sounds correct. Just form a chord. Should sound something like this. Whoa. Now you basically just want to copy and paste that a million times and stack the layers. And all together it should sound like this. And you should do the same with the bass. You should layer the bass and basically have different sounding basses. It's good if they're robotic. I mean, not because of Daft Punk. Step 6, the drums. Basically, the way I sort of figured out the drum pattern for French house music is just through listening to a lot of it. So basically it's just a kick, snare, ride, and hi-hat. And just throw in a few loops. Yeah. Oh, and sidechain. Literally, just put sidechain on everything. Step 7, FX. Now, this is possibly the most key ingredient to making any French house music. A phaser. A phaser is, what the fuck's a phaser? An electronic sound processor used to filter a signal, creating a series of peaks throughout the space. Okay, too much. Basically, you want to use a phaser, which is the key ingredient of all French house music. It doesn't sound amazing on vocals, but if you're doing, if you're sampling an instrumental, it sounds amazing. Like, I'll show you the difference. Makes it very funky. So now that we've got a phaser, you can also put that on your basses and your chords. I wouldn't suggest putting it on everything. I mean, if you put a phaser on everything, now that we've got that, you can't forget the riser. You're looking for like an 80s one, a really cringy sort of one, you know, one that doesn't sound processed. Sounds like a fucking gorilla. Okay, so now that we've got all of that, the song is now complete, and it should sound something like this. Everybody,